Attach your GoPro camera to handlebars, seat post, ski poles, and more. This product includes one handlebar seat post mount and one 3-way pivot arm. The handlebar seat post mount fits 3/4 to 1.4 inch diameter tubes. Unscrew both thumb nuts until the clamp reaches a large enough diameter to fit the intended tubing. Remove the bolt and thumb nut together from the one open side and then place the clamp on your mounting location. Replace the bolt and thumb nut and tighten down both nuts to an equal distance. It is important to not over-tighten the mount. You can mount the camera directly to the clamp or use one or two of the included pivot arms to adjust the camera to the desired orientation. Make sure to tighten down all mounting hardware for a secure and stable shot.